it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about ticket profiles and ticket prompts. So a ticket profile is information that you want your sales associates to capture on the fly while they're ringing a sale, and a ticket prompt is a switch that will make the profiles automatically appear when you start a transaction. So to set up a profile, you're going to go to Setup, System, Quick Setup, click on the Point of Sale tab, and you can see here under Code Profiles, I've enabled Statement 1, and I've made a display label of Referred By. I want to know who referred my customer to the store. Notice to the right of that there's a box called Codes. So when you make a code profile, you also have to create a list to select from. So you can see in my list I have several, and maybe I want to add another profile code called television. So I'm just going to go add. I'm going to type TV as a profile code, press my enter key, and I'll just say it's a television ad. Next, I also want my associates to capture zip codes from customers so I can tell what demographic my store is pulling from. So I enabled an alphanumeric field and labeled it zip code. Notice there's no code profile to the right of it. This is a free-form field that your sales associates can simply type the zip code easily without selecting it from the list. Next, I need to enable the profile fields for the particular store I want them used at. So I'm going to go to Setup, Point of Sale, Stores, and I'm going to use these profile fields at my main store. So let's do a lookup for my main store. I'm going to come over here to the Profile tab, and I'm going to enable Referred By, and I'm going to enable Zip Code. Now let's talk about the prompt. If I want these two fields, these two profiles, to just automatically pop up at the beginning of each and every sale, I need to enable this switch that says Prompt for Profile Fields. If I don't want this to pop up for each and every sale, then I'll need to train my associates how to access a profile field button when they want to capture the information as needed or when they're slow. But in my store, I want the profile fields to pop up automatically. So I'm going to click on Save, and I'm going to go ring a sale, sign in, and let me activate my drawer. And as soon as the touchscreen loads, the first thing that pops up are my profile fields. Now notice on the Referred By line, I just can't simply type what I want. Counterpoint's going to be very sad about that. I have to actually select something from a list. So this is not a free-form field. And I'll select my television ad. Now on the zip code, this is free-form. So I'll just type in a zip code, click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and ring a quick sale. If you don't have the profile fields pop up automatically, and you want to teach your associates to capture the information when there's a little downtime or when they've had a chance to chat with the customer, under More, Ticket Functions, Profile Codes. And you can copy-paste that button to your front menu for ease of access. Let's go ahead and finish this sale. So now that I've captured this information, I do want to report on it. So I'm just going to post my sales real quick, and I'll show you how to report on the information that's captured at point of sale through a profile field. Okay, now all my sales are posted. So next, I'm going to go to Sales History, Reports, Sales Analysis by Group. One of my favorite reports, by the way. I'm going to use this drop-down on Group By, and in this drop-down I'm going to scroll almost all the way to the bottom until I see the words Ticket History. And if I scroll a little bit more, I will find that profile Referred By. I'll just run my report year to date, and you can see in the preview I've had sales for $1 where the referral was web, sales for $1 from TV, and sales for $1 from friend. Now in the zip code, I'm going to come back to this group by drop-down, and I'm going to find zip code in here. And again, I'm going to run the report year to date. And you can see I've had $3 in sales from this zip code year to date. So that's ticket prompts and ticket profiles. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching this week's video. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question or a suggestion for a future video, email me at training@cksystem.com with note of the week on the subject line. To request a free training catalog or to schedule training, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next week.